My name is Michael LaVecchia. I'm a luthier based here in Nashville, Tennessee, and I specialize in guitar building and guitar repair. I loved shop class growing up. My first shop class was the 7th grade. And then in 8th grade, I got a little bit more experience furniture building until eventually in high school, I got my first guitar as a present, an acoustic guitar for Christmas. One of the first times I ever saw a Powermatic machine was in my high school shop. And when we got it, my high school shop teacher emphasized how special it was to finally be getting Powermatic machines into our shop. Or that gave me the foundational understanding that Powermatic was the kind of machine that I was going to have to work towards to get to one day. And now I'm really happy to be using Powermatic tools every day. Everything I do on a guitar will be scrutinized. Every joint will be looked at from 5 inches away, and I need everything to be as tight and perfect as it can be, and the Powermatic machines are the machines that help me do that. The Powermatic difference for me is these tools inspire me, and when I'm inspired, I do my best work.